In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find MyFitnessPal ID. This is an essential skill for anyone using the MyFitnessPal app, especially if you want to connect with friends or track your progress more effectively. Let's get started so you can find your ID quickly and easily. First, launch the MyFitnessPal app on your device. As you tap the app icon, you will see the familiar MyFitnessPal interface load up. This usually takes just a few seconds. Once the app is open, you'll be greeted by your home screen, which shows your daily calorie intake, exercise log, and other important metrics. It's important to ensure you're on the latest version of the app for the best experience. This sets the foundation for the next steps, so take a moment to ensure everything looks right. Next, tap the More button, which is represented by three dots located in the bottom right corner of your screen. When you tap this button, a menu will slide up, revealing various options related to your account and app settings. This step is crucial because it leads you to the section where your ID is located. You'll notice how intuitive the navigation is, making it easy to find what you're looking for. Once you have accessed this menu, you are one step closer to finding your MyFitnessPal ID. Now look at the very top of the menu screen. Your username or ID is printed directly underneath your profile display name. This area is prominently displayed, making it easy to spot. The username or ID is vital for various functions within the app, such as connecting with friends or using specific features. Take a moment to note this information, as it will be useful for sharing with friends or for account recovery purposes. You can feel confident that you have successfully located your ID. If you prefer another method, there's an alternative route to find your ID. Simply scroll down that same menu, tap Settings, and select Profile. Once you are in your profile settings, your ID will be listed in the username field. This option provides a more detailed look at your account settings and is a good way to familiarize yourself with the app. You might find additional information here that can enhance your MyFitnessPal experience. By following these straightforward steps, you have successfully located your MyFitnessPal ID. Knowing your ID is important because it allows you to connect with friends and share your fitness journey with others. If you ever need to reference your ID for any reason, you now know exactly where to find it quickly. This understanding can save you time and effort in the future. In conclusion, finding your MyFitnessPal ID is a simple yet essential task that can enhance your app experience. Whether you are using it to connect with others or for tracking purposes, having this information at hand is beneficial. Now that you know how to find your ID, you can navigate the MyFitnessPal app with confidence. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.